What's your opinion, Darleen, on the RTI Act?
RTI as a person,
express your venue in Cafe
the
Prakash.
main thing is that people are misusing it, most of them.
In the sense of using it for personal...
To blackmail someone, take out all information and blackmail someone. To extortion is gone on at a higher level today because of RTI information. The thing is, when someone asks under RTI, he should have a valid reason why is he asking. He has no boundaries, no relation, nothing with the concerned plot or the concerned this thing. He should have a valid reason. And moreover, he asked also under RTI things of 60s and 70s. There should have been a cut-off date at least from 80 onwards or something. Most of the documents are not there in certain
But record keeping is not good even of last 5 years, no?
Yes. So how are the officers going to get penalized? Some documents are not there.
But as far as using it for blackmail goes...
Now just go by way of Talegaon, where all the records were got burned. Still the officer in charge has to produce it, and he is going on in court where he has to pay a fine.
I see. But as far as the media goes, you have any complaints?
No, media, there is no investigation journalism at all. There is no investigation journalism at all. Therefore, they are not using the RTI. And when they use the RTI, it should be not of an individual project or individual. It should be of the community where it is developed. There are lots of things to find out how much electricity is being given to the village of Panjim, or how much is given to Mapsa versus the population. Find out that valid information when there are shutdown and breakages of power or water supply.
Individual issues add up, no? What I'm saying, supposing I'm involved in a racket, you have every right to find out about it, no?
Yeah, but what am I doing? What is my reason to find out what the racket is?
The reason is that you're saying that this is a trend, no?
Yeah.
1-2%.
I file for RTI. It is used by someone else. This is another thing of RTI. If I file for RTI and I want to go legally, I should prosecute the person in due respective courts or whatever. I give it to someone else, and on those basis the court is entertaining, which is not right.
But that's all about transparency, no? See, this record should be public, no? It should be public.
Scared that the fellow may hammer me. So I give it to someone else.
Public domain.
It cannot be thrown openly everything to the public to use.
You don't think so?
Only the guilty are afraid.
But any departments where they have used it well, you know of many cases where they've used it well?
Used it well in lot of tender documents. Tender documentation is a good this thing. Like where there are more than 1 or 2 people, it is definitely a good thing.
Only if it is a joining of